Hello everyone, it's a beautiful day in the canyons outside of Los Angeles, and it's a beautiful day to be driving this. This is my friend Steven's EK Civic, and it's kind of an EK9 Civic Type R clone at first glance until you pop the hood, because this thing is a classic Honda H2B swap. This thing has a 2.3 liter H23A engine paired to an EK9 Civic Type R B-series 5-speed LSD transmission. And of course, a bunch of other chassis, suspension, wheel and tire upgrades, things like that. It's a perfect canyon car, perfect day to go drive this thing around. So let's take a look at the EK and then go for a drive. Yes, it's an EM1 front end from an SI in case you're curious. Mag Blue Buddy Club P1s, love it. Very period correct. I'm hoping it shows up on camera, but Steven had this car repainted Nighthawk Black Pearl with extra blue pearl flake, and in the daylight, this thing really pops and looks great. The interior is equally fantastic, OEM Plus, DC5R steering wheel, Recaras out of Mitsubishi Evo 8, and everything else basically OEM Plus spec. Fantastic car, let's go for a drive. So I'm gonna leave that window down over there because the AC does not currently work on this car, but otherwise getting into the EK is very simple. There's not much to do. There's no traction or stability control or anything like that, so kind of just get in and drive. And as per usual, I have the exhaust and the interior mic'd up, so you're hearing audio feed from both angles of the car. As you'll see my full review of this car, which you absolutely should watch if you haven't already. This is an H23A out of an Accord SIR wagon. It has an AM intake, a long tube header, the OEM cat, and a rather quiet OEM Plus style catback. So it makes a very nice noise, a pretty refined noise. There's an intermittent exhaust rattle, but don't worry about that. has so much torque. It's a really big perk of this. It's like the proto K24 of the 90s era. This is the torquey Honda engine you wanted to swap in your car. That's what you're after. It's your boy, just checking in. Are you enjoying the video so far? Well, of course you are. That's because this is some grade A primo content we're talking about. So go ahead and show your support by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. It's free and it helps the channel. All right, back to the video. All right, let's go back up. Let's traffic that way, hopefully. All right. The B-series. But it does have a lot more torque. It's very tractable. Converted to a coilover with metric coilover springs. Really nice setup, very compliant. You really wouldn't want anything stiffer on this canyon road because the road's pretty rough. If the car is too stiff, it's going to bounce around too much. Oh, look at this dickhead double laning. Oh my god. Share the road, people. We gotta have fun. We have to share the road. Alrighty, so hopefully you're getting some pleasant noises, sensations from Stevens EK with the H2B swap. If you haven't already, please check out the full review. It goes into in-depth detail about the swap, about why this car is important to Steven. And you get to hear more of this, and who doesn't want to hear more of this? And since we're going back down to a busier stretch of the road, I'm going to back off. I think this is a good place to wrap things up. And yeah, in any case, my name is Jake. You've been watching Drive, Brake, Fix, Repeat. I'll see you guys next time where I go do more fun things with cars. Bye.